TrueInterviewAI is a brand new AI software that promises to revolutionize how you conduct interviews and assess candidates. If you're someone who's looking for efficient, cutting-edge AI tools for streamlining the hiring process, you'll want to know these 7 crucial things before jumping into TrueInterviewAI. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share my personal thoughts on whether it lives up to the hype and if it's worth your time. First off, let's talk about the core feature of TrueInterviewAI. This software automates the interview process using advanced AI that can analyze video responses from candidates. Instead of relying solely on resumes, this AI digs deeper by evaluating speech patterns, emotional cues, and overall engagement, providing a comprehensive assessment of each candidate. What this means for you is less time spent sifting through interviews and more time spent on decision making. Now, TrueInterviewAI integrates seamlessly with various ATS, applicant tracking systems, making it an ideal choice for companies already using these platforms. This ensures you won't need to manually input candidate information, saving you time and reducing human error. The AI also uses advanced algorithms to rank candidates based on their responses, which could significantly speed up the decision-making process for recruiters. One thing that sets TrueInterviewAI apart is its ability to create customized interview questions. Whether you're hiring for a technical position, a creative role, or something in between, you can tailor the questions to get the most out of each candidate's answers. You can also schedule automated follow-up questions, ensuring you're asking all the right things without having to remember everything yourself. Another cool feature is its sentiment analysis. TrueInterviewAI doesn't just tell you whether a candidate answered your question, it also analyzes the tone, emotion, and confidence behind their words. This could help identify the soft skills you might otherwise miss through a traditional interview process. It's like having an unbiased observer assess candidates' emotional intelligence in real time. However, as with any new software, there are a couple of things to consider. TrueInterviewAI, while impressive in many ways, may take some time to get used to, especially if you've never used AI in your hiring process before. There's a learning curve, but once you're past that, it's an efficient tool that can save you a lot of time. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward solution without any bells and whistles, this may not be the right tool for you. One thing that impressed me is TrueInterviewAI's reporting and analytics features. It doesn't just give you the rankings, it also provides detailed insights into how each candidate performed on a question-by-question basis. This means you can dig deeper into where a candidate excelled or fell short, allowing you to make more data-driven hiring decisions. And here's where the value truly shines. You can try TrueInterviewAI completely free by clicking the first link below. If you're unsure whether this AI software is right for you, there's no risk in trying it out. This gives you an opportunity to explore the features firsthand without committing to anything. If you're interested in AI tools for hiring, I've tested hundreds of them. Some are great and others, not so much. I'll also link to some of my top recommended AI software in the description, so if you're looking for alternatives or additional tools to enhance your hiring process, you've got options. To wrap up, TrueInterviewAI has a lot of promise. If you're looking for an advanced AI solution to streamline your hiring process, reduce bias, and save time, it's definitely worth considering. With customizable features and sentiment analysis, this could be a game changer for hiring managers. Give it a try for free and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for more AI tools I recommend after trying thousands of them.